Hello friends, welcome back. Yes, I still don't have a voice, but better than usual, let me tell you. It is Sunday night. We just had the Super Bowl today. Way to go, Patriots. I don't even know how long of a nap today. I went and laid on my bed after church. Well, we came back home from church and we did scripture time, like a devotional time with the kids at the table where we ate lunch, and then I went to bed and I slept until, well, the Super Bowl was on. So a long time. And and then I joined the living. But it is like 10:50 at night. Everybody's asleep. Derek's asleep, he's not feeling good. Jonah's passed out, Shaylee, Boston, everyone is sound asleep. And I'm like, bing, bing, I'm wide awake. So I'm gonna get the top half of this house all picked up and clean to start our Monday off. So tomorrow I'm not gonna be in the home that much. Do my night routine, but maybe do a little bit more. And I'm really awake, so I'm gonna take advantage of this. And I feel great, guys. Thank you all commenting, but I really do feel good. It's just this voice, and I look scary because I slept like, you know, I woke up from my nap like this, so it's scary. But I really do feel good. Like, honestly, it's just the voice. So, all right, join me as what are you all calling it? The internet's calling it YouTube night cleaning, which, all right, let's do some night cleaning. All right, I'm just gonna clean off the stove. Jonah made pancakes this morning for his siblings. It was so sweet. He made a ton of chocolate chip pancakes. Oh my gosh, they were good. He did a good job. So, I mean, he cleaned up the area, but just not the stove. So I've got a few splatters of pancake mix going on the stove. It's not bad, but just gonna get in here and get this all cleaned up and start the week off with a clean stove. So I know you're gonna ask me, what are you cleaning your stove with? Today I'm just using some Dawn soap. My stove's not bad except for those splatters of pancakes, so I'm just using some Dawn soap with my scrub cloth. And yeah, a lot of the times I use my cleaning paste from Norwex. So I've already loaded the dishwasher once. And it's drying right now. We've got like 13 minutes until it's done, and then I still have some more dishes in the sink. But it is so windy out, you guys, right now. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna take a time out from the kitchen and I'm gonna go downstairs and switch the laundry. While I was putting the kids to bed, I put a load of all their school clothes in. Boston's got his music on. Can you hear that? It's on too loud. It disturbs their REM sleep. So awake. There we go. Too loud, it disturbs the REM sleep. I'm no doctor, but this mama says it does, so okay. Bedroom door is open, we need to shut that. All right, my dryer says it has 3 minutes left, but I have like 5 dryer balls in there, and dryer balls cut the time on your drying, so just so you know. And over drying is what makes your clothes get staticky. So I'm gonna actually open this up because it is done. Okay, so I have everyone's baskets right here, and I'm gonna just flop everything into everyone's baskets, and tomorrow after school they'll put their laundry away. This is all from the weekend. Oh look, an apron. Shocker. There's actually quite a bit of aprons in here. And when I put them in their baskets, I'll kind of like drape their shirts and stuff so they don't get wrinkly too much. So, and since their school clothes are in this load, I'm just gonna gather their school clothes and go put them up on the couch. So, they're ready to go. They can make their bus. It's hard to make the bus in the wintertime when it's cold. It's less motivating to get out there, but they're doing really good. He'll probably want this hoodie. He's in love with that hoodie, and I'm so glad I got it. I think I got it for like $8 at Ross. And he got that for Christmas, and he was so happy. He wanted a new hoodie. How come none of Shaylee's clothes were in that load, the laundry? Oh gosh. Oh. I thought the other pair of black pants that I pulled out of this dryer were hers, but they weren't. Which means that all her dirty clothes are still hiding in a room, even though she said she brought all her laundry down. But as we know, moms, that's not always the case. All right, she will wear these pants tomorrow. Thank goodness we have those. She will wear this sweater. Okay, we got a shirt for Boston, and I'm gonna let Shaylee wear one of Boston's shirts. I swore I threw. I guess I didn't. So I gotta make sure tomorrow that I get all her school clothes, find them, round them up. They should be in that basket because that was outside the bathroom and that's where they throw all their dirty clothes, but shit. So, okay, I got the kids' school clothes. Fantastic. Oh wait, that came out of the dryer. See, I'm out of it. Didn't I say I threw a load of all their school clothes in the washer? I was thinking that was the load. Oh, silly mommy. They're all right here. Phew. Man. My brain, I can lose. I'm so forgetful, you guys. It's not even funny. You're all probably yelling. Didn't you just say? Jeez. All right, those are going. Brilliant. Okay. So my office is down here in the family room, and I want to go plan my week in my planner, but I need to go back upstairs and finish what I wanted to do. But I get so distracted that I'm like, but I want to go plan in my planner. Well, it's like, no, Kimmy, go back to what you were doing. But this is how sometimes things don't get done because I bounce. My brain is just everywhere. Wow, I'm looking good for you guys. But you're my friends, you don't care, right? Right. I have 2 minutes left on the dishwasher, and I can unload it and then finish the dishes that are up here. But I can't get enough of these clementines that I got from Costco. It's a good bag. When it comes to citrus, you're literally gambling. Like, you're taking a chance if it's a good piece of fruit or not, if they're juicy. But this bag, they're so juicy. Can't get enough of them. While I'm waiting for the dishwasher, I'm gonna go into the living room right here and quickly pick it up. It is now 11:07, and I'm going to focus on this mess. It's not bad though, you guys, seriously. And I'm gonna get all this picked up. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. And we got baby girl in her crate. Hi, baby girl. She's so sweet. Derek left his glasses tonight, so I'm gonna leave them there so he doesn't search for them. But part of me really wants to vacuum, but I can't. I don't want to wake up the house, so it's fine. I will vacuum tomorrow when I do the weekly home blessing. All nice and picked up. Now let's go over to this side of the house and finish up. I don't know if you can hear the branches of our bush scratching up against the window. It is so freaky. So it's time to clip those. So I'm sure Derek, I'll put that on Derek's honey-do list. Just find the ones that are too close to the window and clip them, because it sounds like someone is trying to come into my house at 11:15ish at night. Freaky. Okay, here is, I was gonna say Boo. We haven't had that dog since my kids were little. Oh my gosh. Paige's leash, I need to hang it up. This is our, can you see this? This is what I bought at Target this weekend. It holds file holders. There's the metal bar right here. And I keep all our scripture stuff that we use for our scripture time at the kitchen table, which we mostly do during lunches and dinners. So we've got our scripture stickers, our papers that we're studying right now. So I had this, it was getting all piled and crazy. So this is what we go to. And I'm just gonna keep this over here for right now. Yeah, because it's something that we're going to every day. Maybe I'll just put it on this chair. There we go. Done. Oh, naughty mommy, I left my church shoes out. Whoops. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna work on the table. Okay, this needs to get decluttered. This has not gotten this bad from like after Christmas, when like the normal decor has gone out. This is the worst. Like, I never let it get bad, so I'm doing so much better. But I will get to this tomorrow with you guys. So, or if you've already seen me do it in a video, I don't know when this video is going up. So yeah, I'm gonna ignore that right now, but it's okay. All right, so I have still some food I need to put away from Costco in the pantry. This is what I'm working on for freezer meals for you guys, so that's gonna stay right here. Here's the training food bag that we use for Paige. So for church this morning, Boston went around with the young men to pass out newsletters to the congregations of our ward and collect fast offerings. Someone's dog passed away and asked the boys if anyone had a dog. And Boston's like, I do. So he gave them like a good quarter left of dog food. But holy cow, isn't that? Boston's like, sure, I'll take it. Cool. All right, so I am going to empty the dishwasher. It's now done, and get the rest of this done, and I will wake up to a very picked up home other than this spot, and it'll feel so good.
Lightness strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
I am done. So I have my cookbooks that I'm working with, the fruit and avocados here. I have my crock pot out because we are going to have a crock pot meal tomorrow. And in the morning, I am making some freezer meals for you. And that's why these ingredients are out right here. So I am ready for tomorrow. Oh my gosh. The dishwasher is not as full as I want it to be to do a full, to run it. So I'm not going to run it until I fill it up tomorrow after I make the meals. I got to pick that up. Some water spilt. But we're looking good for the morning. Start our day off with the main part of the house all clean. Just makes you feel good when you wake up in the morning, especially if you're a cranky teenager. It works. So, well, friends, that worked. Everything's picked up and I'm sleepy. So perfect. It's 11:57. So that took pretty much an hour to do. But I'm ready for bed. I'm tired. So thanks for joining me, you guys. I'm going to bed. I'll see you soon. Bye.